In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of your Gmail account on all other devices. This process is especially useful if you suspect that your account has been accessed by unauthorized devices, or if you've logged in on a public computer or a friend's phone and forgot to sign out. Let's dive right in and ensure your Gmail account remains secure. First, you'll want to navigate to your Gmail inbox. Go ahead and log into your Gmail account using your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed straight to your inbox where all your emails reside. Now take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture or an icon that represents your account if no picture is set. Next, give your profile icon a click. By doing this, a small pop-up menu will appear, giving you several options related to your Google account. Among these options, you'll find one that says Manage your Google account. Proceed by clicking on it. This link will redirect you to a comprehensive account management page that covers everything from security settings to personal details. Once you've reached the account management page, focus your attention on the left sidebar. Here, you'll notice a variety of options. Locate the tab labeled Security and click on it. This section is where you can manage and review all security settings related to your Google account. It's a vital area for maintaining the safety and confidentiality of your personal information. When you're in the security section, scroll down the page until you come across a section labeled Your Devices. This area is crucial for monitoring where your account is currently active. It provides an overview of all devices that have access to your account lately. Click on the button that says Manage All Devices. This will bring up a detailed list of every device currently signed into your account. You might notice an old laptop, a forgotten work computer, or that phone you misplaced months ago. This list gives you full control over where your account remains accessible. Now here's where you take action to secure your account. Simply select a device from the list that you want to log out of. After clicking on a device, look for the option that says Sign Out. Clicking on Sign Out will terminate your account session on that particular device. Repeat this process for each device you wish to disconnect from your account. Once you've finished signing out of all unwanted devices, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your account is safe from unauthorized access. And just like that, we're done. Now your Gmail account is more secure, knowing that it's only accessible from devices you trust. Thank you for joining me in this guide. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video.